I shouldn't have talked about.
انت هيك انت اكس اوكي ما بيمشي معك ما بيمشي معك الحال حبيبي ماما سؤال
Where are you
او
from?
ماي جاد انا
Which country?
سي مو لازم
Hi again. Nice to meet you.
Have we met before?
Yes.
Yesterday.
You forgot me. Mm.
Did we meet yesterday?
Yeah.
I don't think we met today. Oh,
Not today.
you were saying hijab. You had a like a black screen, right?
Yeah.
And I asked why can't you show your face? Then you said,
Yeah. And I don't show my face. It's just my lips.
but if you keep a black screen, everybody skips you. I guess that's why.
No. I just wanted to talk. And my room, it's not dark right now, yani.
So your country? Which country?
I am in South Africa.
You're from
I
South
am
Africa.
Arab.
Arab. So you are born and brought up in South Africa.
Yeah.
Okay, and you are 22.
Huh?
You are 22. 22.
Yes, I am 22.
Yeah. What do you think? How old do I look?
I don't know.
Have a guess.
Maybe in 20, right?
Yeah. I'm 23.
Yeah, I know it.
Your teeth are so clean.
Thank you.
Like, may
We are here. We don't do anything to our teeth. We just brush it.
do you floss?
No, we just brush it night and morning.
Twice a day. You brush twice a day.
Yes.
But you can. I'm telling you, you can also floss. Your teeth are perfect. I cannot see anything wrong with the teeth, but doctors generally say to brush and floss because sometimes there is something stuck in between your teeth. Brushing cannot take it out. So
I hate it because it's sometimes make blood,
it happens.
and I don't see it's needed, right? It doesn't need it.
But if you're gentle, you can do flossing without
I
bleeding.
can be gentle.
So do you like? Are you like a student?
Yes, I am still student.
And you are studying? What are you studying?
It's like I'm going to be a teacher in the future, maybe.
Okay. What type of teacher?
Mm?
Like English teacher?
No, Arabic.
Arabic teacher. Okay. So do you love Arabic?
Yes, of course. I can talk Fusha Arabic. There are dialects in Arabic.
Okay. So like how many alphabets are there in Arabic?
Many.
Do you know the number? The exact number?
And you want the alphabet.
Yeah,
like Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Jim, Ha,
No.
Jim, Ha, Kha, Ain, Ghain, Dal, Tha, Ra, Ta, Za, Ain, Mim, Nun, Ra. كتير. It's many.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
in English we have 26. Similarly in Arabic, do you know? I don't know. 30.
I don't know.
But I think you have to know it if you want to become an Arabic teacher. I also don't know the number of alphabets in my mother tongue, Bengali.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Like your voice is really nice.
Thanks. Thank you very much.
Like, is it your natural voice or?
It's my natural voice.
So you talk with like the shopkeeper like this?
No, I don't do this shit. I can't do it anyways. and I don't know how to do it.
So I'm saying, like, do you use this same voice with everybody?
Yeah,
Okay.
why not?
Because it is very seductive, your voice.
Oh, it's maybe because I can change my voice.
No, you
This
do.
is my real voice. When I want to change it, I can change it.
You can
Do you
change
want to
it.
see?
Yeah, tell me.
سوف نقدم لكم برنامجا اليوم أحكي عن روايات وقصص.
That's Arabic, right? That's Arabic.
تقول أمي إنه يجب عليك أن تدرس أحيانا.
Yeah. So Arabic teacher, like, can you earn good money being an Arabic teacher?
Yes.
That is good. In India, teachers, like primary school teachers, like, you want to be a high school teacher, like government. Can you tell me more about it?
Mm. I haven't get to the. I haven't end the college. I am in the years 2.
Okay.
So when I end it, I'm going to go and do
Mhm.
teachers.
Okay. So how many more years of college?
Maybe 2 years or 1.
1 or 2 years. You don't know,
No, because maybe something happened and I can't do it anymore.
but if you don't finish the college, then you won't get the degree.
I know. So I told you.
But you are not sure if you want to continue with the college.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Actually, I dropped out of college after 1 year.
Mm.
I have got no
It's okay.
problems. Your voice is like, I have never heard a voice like this.
Why?
It feels like you are flirting with me. Yeah,
Sorry.
but
Okay.
you're saying it's your natural voice. You're not. Uh, it okay.
I'm, I'm flirting with you.
Yeah, that's what it feels
Okay.
like.
Mm.
So, like. Hmm. So
I'm trying to not laugh.
so okay. So it's your real voice. That's
Mm.
like,
It's my reverse.
have people
I can't change it.
have people told you that your voice is like very
Yeah, people in my country they say I am not from my country. They
okay.
think that I have a dialect that not from the place I am in right now.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. So who do you live with? Do you
They
live
say it's like cartoon or like how can I say it in English? I don't
cartoon?
know.
Cartoon,
Mm.
not cartoon.
Cartoon.
Cartoon, I know, animation, anime.
Yes.
But okay. And do you have makeup on?
No.
No makeup, only lipstick.
Yeah.
Which
It's wait, I'm going to show you. It's not lipstick. Wait. Don't look, okay?
okay? Don't look.
Yes, don't look.
Okay.
Be good. Be good. It's this. See?
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
But it looks yellow.
Yeah, but it's make it pink.
What's the color of the lipstick? Like, in the lipstick.
Nothing. It's just make it pink after 2 minutes.
But originally it's yellow. Like after you have applied it, it's yellow.
Ah, my real lips.
No, no, no. Just show me the lipstick once again.
Okay, wait.
It. Okay, the tip of it is pink. Okay, I thought it's a yellow lipstick.
It's not yellow.
Yeah, it's pink.
And I don't like to put makeup.
Yeah, it's not good for your skin. Makeup is not good for your skin.
I think it's make me feel not good.
What do you mean?
Like there are something in my face and it's make me not comfortable.
Yeah, makeup is not good for your skin.
Mm,
And do you want to know the reason?
no.
You don't want to know the reason.
And we are in my country, we don't put makeup until it's something important or something like marriage or something like party.
But lipstick is common in your country.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
okay.
it's okay. Like students would wear the lipstick in schools.
No,
No,
I don't wear lipstick in school.
but you are in college.
Yeah,
In college, too, lipstick is not allowed.
no.
Okay,
No, it's just something that you can do and you cannot.
okay, it's your choice.
Yeah.
But I think if you did it in a school, I don't think they would allow it.
Who is this crazy person that will wake up in the morning and make lipstick and makeup? No, I feel I'm so tired and I don't can do this. I just go.
But some school students make up this and that.
Uh,
Nice. So you were living like with your parents?
no, my parents are working. My parents, it's not here. My father in America,
Okay.
and my mom, she is the most time she is in the work.
Okay. What does she do?
I live with my grandmother.
Grandmother. Like your mother's mother.
Mm,
Okay, so just your grandmother and you.
mm. And my brother and sister.
Wow, like that means 4 people. 4 people. Okay. That's
I'm the eldest.
you're the eldest. Okay. And the brother is the youngest?
No,
The
it's in
sister.
the middle.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Then how old is she? Your sister?
She's like 15,
Oh, and your brother?
like 20.
Okay, so 15, 20, 22. And your grandmother would be like what, 70?
No, I don't know too. She doesn't tell me.
Okay.
If I ask her, she said, Alhamdulillah. Yani, anyways, who cares?
Does she know English?
Mm?
She can speak English?
No.
Oh, so she tells you in Arabic.
Mm.
Yeah. My grandmother has passed
She
away.
hates when I ask, what's your age?
Ah, okay.
Mm.
Yeah, it happens like with old people, they don't like telling their age. So, like, what time is it over there?
It's like 5.
5 p.m.
Mm.
Wow. So it's 8 hours ahead. In India it's
8.
12. No, not 8, 12. So 8 hours ahead. But 8 or 7 hours ahead. India.
Nice to meet you again. I have to go. Bye.
Yeah, you can go. Out of we talked for such a long time, but she had to go like this. Maybe I should have sent her the friend request.